Hello, beautiful people. I hope you're doing great. If you're new here, my name is Cynthia and you're welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm doing a tutorial on how I achieved these beautiful hairstyles using braiding hair. So without saying much, just keep watching and you'll know how I did it. Don't forget to comment and share my video, guys, and also give it a thumbs up. Let's get started. So guys, my hair is washed and moisturized and I parted it into two sections, and right now I'm just starting with the front section and I'm just trying to slick it down using my eco gel and my comb, and I'm just using a scrunchie to hold it into place. So right now I'm detangling the second section, and I'm just going to hold it together with the first part that I slicked down, just using my eco gel and my scrunchie. So I'm further slicking it down with my eco gel, and guys, you can go crazy with the gel application, but this hairstyle was just for a day, so I just used little. So I'm tying my head wrap to further slick it down, then I'll go do my makeup and I'll be back before you know it. So guys, I did my makeup off camera, and that's the braiding hair I'm going to use. So this is how I secure that braiding hair using my scrunchie. I don't know how to explain this, guys, so just watch. So that remaining part, that one is what I'm going to use to hold the braiding hair on my hair. I hope it makes sense. So right now I'm holding the braiding hair in the opposite direction, and I'm trying that scrunchie on the knot that I made with my hair, and then I'm flipping that hair backwards. It's that simple, guys. So the braiding hair is hiding that knot you made with your hair, but still you want to take a piece of hair from the braiding hair and just wrap it around the knot so that it can look like it's your hair. So I'm just securing that hair that I wrapped around the knot using a bobby pin, and ta-da! You have your hairstyle for the day. You're looking like $1 million babe on a budget. So another hairstyle that you can rock is taking that braiding hair and just twisting it down, just making a nice twist and rocking it like that, guys. See how cute it is. So it wouldn't take you even an hour. So simple, guys. Try these hairstyles. So I'm taking that twisted braiding hair and I'm just planting it on the side that I want it to be, and I'm wrapping the end on around my head. Then I'm just going to secure it with a bobby pin, and that's another style you can rock, guys. It's so pretty and simple. Right now I'm taking that twisted braiding hair and I'm wrapping it around my knot to make a bun. Then I'm just going to secure it. Guys, these styles are super easy. You don't have an excuse for having a bad hair, like an unkempt hair. See how easy it is. You can change hairstyles from Monday to Friday. So for this hairstyle, I don't know what number this is, but I divided the braiding hair into two sections and I'm just twisting the first section. Always make sure your twist is secured on the end so that it doesn't unravel. You can use a rubber band to hold it, or you can just braid it nicely. So for this hairstyle, you can just rock it like this. So if you don't want any twisted hair getting on your way, you can just wrap them around your knot and secure them with the bobby pin, just like I'm doing. This hairstyle came out so perfect. I could rock this on my wedding day, guys. So last but not least, I'm dividing that hair into a section, and then I'm just placing the section on the front part. So I'm just securing the section using a rubber band so that I can hold it into place. So after that, I'm dividing the remaining hair to the back into two sections and I'm just twisting each section. So after twisting that first section, I'm just wrapping it around that knot and I'll just secure it. Then I'll repeat the same step on the other side. And this is it, guys. We are looking all dolled up in how many minutes? Not even more than 5. This hairstyle came out so well and I loved it. I loved all the hairstyles, guys. Please comment on the comment section which hairstyle you like and you will try out. So that's it for this video, guys. I enjoyed creating these hairstyles. Don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe. It's free, guys. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.